So wonke umuntu vele ukhuluma ngaJonas sesikhohliwe ngeSouth Africa nekuthi kune-FIFA sesikhohliwe. Ifocus yethu seyisetu kwaJonas kuthi Jonas ngisathani. Yebonini yathi nini la South Africa nathi niyangichaza nisheshe nikhohle shem Nkosi yami nokuthi South Africa idliwe asisabuva nalobuhlungu nyalo indlu sesinyanyisako seyiphoni khani mystic.
Watching The Polygamist with the man that you forgave for Feba. You are going to be triggered. Even if you're not watching it with him. For the mere fact that you're watching it alone.
You would be very selfish if you are willing to put your child through the same things that you went through. For one, I would never take his timber, bro. I'd never take his timber. I know what it's like. I have multiple baby mamas. I'm sorry, bro. I'm apologize. Uzala bani? Uzala mamkhize. Cha lutho ngizala mamthimkhulu. Nkosi yami ngizala mamthimkhulu. Uyaphila umama mfana. Uyaphila. And then they start treating my child different just because akazalwa umamkhize. Uzala mamthimkhulu. Yo. Sabona ntombi ngwaphi ngokuzoba umakoti la ekhaya. Ngase cool. And then they start treating my wife different just because she's born a local, bro. Just because their first makoti is from Wanongoma, and then now my makoti, my second makoti is going to be from Ekoli. Now they're going to treat her different. Born a local foot. Lonto leyo gcina kwenzeka kokho komkhulu. La kimi nje. Sorry. Ngenkani yami futhi.
Kanzabethu. Ukubeke mhlambe bayikhiphe nge-episode. Yabona kube le Polygamist bakhiphe 1 episode per week. Imali ade bezoyenza.
Ngibukile mina ngibuke at one go like ngayiqeda the same day it was released. Uyabona la aqale khona ukungixaka. La ngibona khona bathi udoti lo muntu. When he went for Ulindani umngani wengani yakhe. I was like, nah, fuck this nigga. And it turns out that throughout the series, awukhona ukumzonda. I understand. Awukhona ukumzonda. But izinto akazenzayo that disgusting mfethu. Angeke. Kodwa ke ngifuna ukusho ukuthi iningi lamadoda anemali. Wathi ngithule koze kuthiwa sengithe.
Uyazi ngibuka episode 1 phela ngiyayiqala manje ukuyibuka because i-hype nje obade ngishilo yale Shandisi le ingenze ukuthi ngithi yazini let me subscribe ku Netflix ngiyibuke le mpahla iPolygamist and sengibuka uJoyce manje episode 1 and already few minutes in kule episode 1 ngizibuza umbuzo wodwa ukuthi as abantu besimame nina ngempela itolerance yeni ihamba ifikephi ngaba amahlombe enu abanze ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi nihambe nithwala ubunzima uzubona ukuthi ngeke phela angazi kubizwa ngani lokho akusakhona ukuthwala ngazi noma shuthi nithakathiwe noma ninziwa kanjani kodwa akwazi ukuthi ungathola ubunzima omngaka kumele phela kube la obona khona cha sengenziwe isilima manje yabo sengenziwe isilima.
You can't be having a married boyfriend and then you're gonna tell us on Instagram, on TikTok, that Jonas is wrong. Because in the current position of things, you are Matipa, your boyfriend's wife is Joyce. You see, so Jonas can't be wrong because you are sitting with Jonas, and that's the problem. Too many girls are
I guess people are crashing out Saudi, guys. We even forgot what is happening actually because of this movie. Jonas, guys, they got the country shaking. Everybody's just talking about him. If you see South African men crashing on social media, it means that cheating is wrong, guys. You know, they were not gonna come here, you know, share their 2-cent opinion. If you have a husband like Jonas, you know, a lot of ladies are coming out to say that we are used to this type of a marriage. You know, Jonas, some are saying, oh God, they are married to a man that is worse than Jonas. I guess, guys, people are getting triggered. What is going on in South Africa, guys? It is marriage waiting, Kosiami. You build a man, you become the begezeling woman, the Bob build. At the end of the day, this is what you get. I guess some people are saying, oh good, at least the old Joyce, she's acting compared to Musamseleko's wives, Maitele, Mayeni, Makumalo, and Mangwabe. But guys, when it comes to Musa, at least you guys are sharing him. But when it comes to Joyce, yes, the other wife they were going through, but Joyce, I guess, and she was going through the most, guys. So Jonas didn't even care, guys. You know, we always say men know exactly what they are doing. Men are very selfish, guys. If you don't choose yourself, you know, even the side chick are complaining, and people are asking themselves, what is going on? You guys thought we were the prize. We have learned that no one is above anyone when it comes to this men, guys. They don't care whether you are the wife, you are the good wife, you are the beautiful side. Abanandaba, guys, ziyaphenduka kuwonke umuntu. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. A timely conversation. What do you think about this? Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.